So tell me about the name of the WordPress plugin.
It's called ClickBump SEO.
Okay, and tell me how have you used it on your blog?
ClickBump SEO is a plugin that pretty much acts like a checklist for SEO whenever you're writing a blog post. So after you write your post, ClickBump will kind of scan it and tell you how well you've optimized that post for search engines.
What kind of scale does it measure this?
It scales it from 10 to 100.
Okay.
So 10 means you haven't really optimized it. There's not a lot of strong keywords. You haven't really told Google what this post is about. 100 means you've told Google knows what this post is about.
And what is your blog?
My blog is awesomelyluvvy.com.
Okay, and tell me about this post you were just talking about here. You're talking with me. You're talking with Dr. Goddess. Adria, hello. Okay.
The post I tested it on when I bought the plugin. I don't buy plugins, by the way. I just decided to do this one. I wrote a Dear Lil Kim letter back in February. Just
one of those open letters that you love.
Those sternly worded letters.
I was say her sternly worded.
Word, you know how those go. So, I mean, the comment, the post got a lot of comments back there, whatever, but it hasn't really been coming up in Google search, whatever. So I decided to test it with that. So I used ClickBump SEO to optimize that post. So I made sure Lil Kim was in the H2 header and highlighted, and I made sure that I changed the text of the picture to Lil Kim.
The alt text, right? Got it.
Text.
Nice.
And Lil Kim, like the keyword in there, it let me know that the density, which means how many times I used the keyword, was a decent amount. So I pressed save, and I was tracking how Google was kind of reading my site using Google Webmasters. And I think within a week, it jumped from having like 22 impressions on Google to like 22,000. So like Google Webmasters showed that I was up by like 13,000%.
Wow.
So now,
that's crazy.
Right?
And who would even know that? I mean, otherwise people are just creating new blog posts and they're struggling. Meanwhile, you went back and revisited some blog posts that have been successful.
Yep. And
that's a nice strategy.
Right? And now if you Google Lil Kim, just the two words Lil Kim, I'm either on page 1 or 2.
Love that.
So,
love that. Wow.
ClickBump SEO, I never buy plugins ever.
And how much was this plugin?
It was like $37.
Okay.
It was where it's been worth it.
Thank you. All right, and what's your Twitter account?
At LuvvyIG, so that's LUVVIEIG.
Okay.
And I have the other one, that's like the more professional one. It's at I Love It, which is ILUVVIT.
Love it. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.